of this, and you haven't participated, we've had this discussion. I served on a Board of Education as an elected official for a year. I served as mayor on a Board of Education for 4 years. I have two brothers who are teachers. I have two sister-in-laws who are teachers. One who just retired after 38 years. You've heard all of this before. What we were describing is what the legal standard in Connecticut is. Okay? And you might say, well, but that's not how it was applied in my district. But we were talking about the state law. And under the state law, without all of the verbiage, we have 90 days to make a decision. After we make a decision, it's got to be for cause, and the cause, at least academically, is the person incompetent or not. That's what the state statute says. But I want to be very clear. If I've offended you, I apologize. But what I'm also saying is, what we are in fact doing is implementing an evaluation system which your union voted for. That's what we're doing. And listen, if somebody said no, if you're represented by this organization, get it and read the section. Because it says ending tenure as we know it. And it says building an evaluation system on a statewide basis. And it says take the peak process and the legislature implement it. That's what's in there.